This is a James Engineering Max Deburring and chamfering machine. This is not what our factory floor looks like. We are a small family-owned original equipment manufacturer with a strong team.
Hi, I'm Dave Schlosser.
This is my father Jim Richards and myself Scott Richards,
who have continually delivered machining solutions to top companies. Starting as raw material in our fabrication and welding department, we build our machines from the ground up. While the early stages of our machines are being constructed, our design team is creating the rest of the parts that will be machined in our machine shop. We also create the electrical panels and wiring for the whole machine. Once the raw material is back from powder coating, it's time for assembly. It's all hands on deck to put these marvels together. After the servos, tooling, rotary table, automatic clamp, wash system, and control panel are in place, we are finally ready to run cycles programmed by our program team. Because we provide custom solutions, we run countless test cycles on customer parts to ensure the quality we offer. The last step of our operation is shipping day. Our machines are carefully weatherproofed and packaged before being sent on a truck to another happy customer.